All right, let's get into it. Let's do the prep. Let's see what we got here. So first thing I wanted to point out was the fact that we created a bearish FVG on the daily now. Right, so good morning, DBK. Thanks for joining. So I'm actually going to, instead of leaving this daily fair value gap here, I'm going to delete this and create this um, level here. I was just going to say daily FEGC. So now I know. If we get up to here, we're in the middle of the daily fair value gap for bearish movement. Something I wanted to point out though was the 30-minute. I'd be looking for a sweep up here into this and then try to get the rejection back down into this range. We did get the slight break here though, so we may come here and then try to target down lower, but we will see. And then we have the middle of this 30-minute FVG right here as well. 19 versus the CE is up at 55, so that's quite a big difference. Like it was at 30 points, 35 points, yeah. So, um, we'll see what we get. I was hoping for a push here early. Maybe we just reject right out the gate, right at the bottom of this FVG. But let's see what we get. What up, JC? What up? What up? Let's see. So as you see, getting some quick rejections out of the very bottom of this 30-minute FVG. Nothing too crazy, yet at least. Want to see if it protects these lows here. Delta kind of dumped quite aggressively the second we opened, so not necessarily looking for the short or long right away, but we may. We got pretty close to this low here. I'm in no rush. Just gonna try to take my time, find my spots, and then attack where that needs to be attacked at. Um, if we were to break this and try to fight back up here and create an entry model, then maybe that makes more sense. But as of right now, it's just a little low on the edge. So for Fed Talk and Market Watch calendar today, we have Beige Book at 2 p.m. Eastern. So was that 11 a.m.? Um, but that's really it. So basically no news. Nice sweep of lows and then long. Or not sweep of lows. Actually, yeah, sweep of midnight open. Delta pushback very aggressively right there, but regardless, we're still seeing 30-point candles back to back to back. So, um, your edge gets pretty low when it's easily going 30 points. It'd be nice if it goes in your favor, but hmm. So I like this short right here, but need to get back up here just a little bit for this to make sense. I like the short though to attack this downside liquidity. I would like to be able to use this as my stop. That would require a snipe up here. Might not be able to get that. Dang. Nice trade though, right here with these rejections. Came down here now at this point. So weird. It feels like each 1 minute candle is kind of a new direction. It feels like as soon as this candle closes, then it could rip back. But let's see. Looks like we're trying to push onto this liquidity line. And we get it. A full 30-point trade right there. Take that off for now. Hmm. Delta dumped pretty aggressively as well on that push lower. We should rip back right here. We recovered this insanely well. Nice, really nice wick. Yep. Let's see. I probably will try this short again up here. However, it is a little bit more concerning because we did sweep these lows. We could be trying to deliver back up, but let's see. $53-ish would be nice. Trying to snipe an entry right here if we can get up to like 53 one more time.
Order submitted.
Oh snap. Let me see. Look at that. Come on. This should fill me right here.
Order
Alright,
filled.
let's see. See if we get these rejections or if it wants to just fight through. This was the previous low here. Uh, I was gonna close that out. I was gonna say I need it lower. I needed to get back through this level right here, this 50 level. I need to sustain below it. We're not staying below it.
Order submitted.
Wow.
Order canceled. Order filled.
Alright, I got off like 5-6 points there. Nice first share of the day just to start. And I would feel uh more wanting to stay in the trade if we didn't sweep these lows. Then close, but should have held a little bit longer. Again, I would have felt more confident if we didn't sweep these lows here, but looks like it still wants to work. About 20 points from that entry. Thing. There we go. Now it's hitting full TP at 30 points. Dang, dang, dang. That is what it is. That's first try of the day. The real TP honestly would be down here for 40 points, but see if that hits. Rejection point should lead to this push now. Should have been a full 40-point trade, honestly. Boom, there you go. There's 40 points. From the entry. Dang it. I was gonna say I'm gonna look long right there, just risk the lows. I still might, honestly. Ah. Gonna risk the lows right there, looking for a push into here, which we get. Another 15-point trade right there. Again, it probably wants to push towards this upper one, if anything. Maybe even back up to here, but let's see. Hmm. Should try to get up to here. see. Just don't love the risk reward on a trade like this. Would have had to snipe it right here just to even get 15 points. I do think we're going up to here though. Do we short here? I don't know. We swapped such a low and now we're seeing nice recovery off of it too. May try it, right? Never mind.
Order submitted.
I tried it right there.
Order canceled.
I was hoping to get a snag inch right there, like 30. Yeah. I may still look for this short potentially right here at 43. Oh, well, had one shot for it.
Order
Trying this
submitted.
long right here.
Order filled.
Trying this long.
Order filled.
Look for it to rip back up into that direction towards the highs. My fill was absolutely atrocious. I don't know why it took so long to fill me. Looking to get back into 40 though. Jeez, this is moving so fast. I hate this.
Order filled.
I took that off again, guys, for should have been 7 points. It showed 7 points, and then I took it off, but I think it was like 4 points, 3 points. I don't know. Whatever. It filled me. It's moving so fast right now. The chain is being absolutely ridiculous. Like, move this over really quick. Like, look how fast this is going. This is ridiculous. I very rarely see it moving like this. Ugh. The short is the one I was talking about. Not that it sucks that I was in the long, because I profited a little bit, but like I said, I would have a short right there at this one. It's the 30 pointer. That's just gone. May go a lot more. Hit this 530 print here. Boom, boom, boom. Might really just try to take out some of this lower liquidity. Like, we have a long way to drop if we want to drop. One thing I think to remember is I would say, generally speaking, we've been in a bearish market the last few weeks. Yes, we've kind of been trending or not trending, trading sideways, but overall, I would say we've been in a bearish market. Now, do we reject this and go lower? I don't know. It's hard because we just swept this 530 print. We could easily see a rip back higher. Um, let's see. Like, yeah, this is a lot of consolidation, but what do you think is going to happen after a move like this? A lot of consolidation. Now we have some levels to break and whatnot to really, really, really start a downtrend, but like I see it as a momentum shift. Now, could we dip down here and load some longs and retake out all-time highs? Yeah, absolutely. I think it's very possible, but it's also possible we maybe get some downside momentum for a bit. Kind of trying to hit the 17,893. Delta's just leaking. Alright. Now the direction is kind of clear so far, guys. Like, it's down, right? So it's just like, find the entry. Where do you want it? This could have been an entry. This was a really, really good entry. Like, whatever. 60 points. I missed it. I called for it, then I went long here, and then didn't take the short here, and then missed it. But hit this 30-minute FVG here early. Let's see, what do we do now that we're here? We're at previous lows. We should be rejecting previous lows if we want to continue. Let's see, do they close this FVG all the way, or do they leave it kind of open? Oh, they closed it. Kind of open, I guess, would be the answer, but let's see, do we close below this, though, still? Doesn't look like we want to. Delta with a huge rip back, so pretty big pause in momentum here. We need to get close back up here before I would even look long. And even then, I think this may just lead to a better short right here. This area is invalidated. So the bearish FVG here. So if we were to get a push up into here, all of that would be engulfing kind of a lot of this downside move. But right now, Delta's soaring back, so gonna be patient on that. I'm not saying downside's done, but might try to take this right here.
Order submitted.
Uh,
Order filled.
Let's see. Hold these lows. Do we want to hold the lows?
Order submitted.
Ah, come on. Lock me at 6 points there.
Order
There
canceled.
we go. Locked up 6 points. Quick little hold the lows. I do think we could go much higher, but Delta did actually start to turn around a smidge once I got in that trade, so. Don't like this long anymore. I don't hate it, but I don't think it's worth it at this point. Could be out of the way if we were to get a retest. It's very possible though that we do something like this, but so again, I'm not taking this trade. I think it's possible we H. Delta, yep. Um, let's see if we were to get a retest of, I don't know. Delta made new lows, but not like. Also, there's this FVG right here. Or Delta didn't make new lows, price did, I should say. For the long, I actually probably should have been looking for this one. Should have noticed that there was FVG here first through liquidity. Okay. Should have been something like this. Now that I saw the sweep, yeah. The sweep into this FVG that I didn't notice at first. That coulda should have been the actual trade. This right here is not important anymore. Audio shopping. Um, it says no data. Hopefully it okay, now it says poor data. Yeah, come on. Come on, Stream Health. Hmm. Come on. Is it still bad? This is not a YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain. I'm gonna have to look into fixing it here. Yeah, ES below VWAP. YM still barely about to get to theirs. Um, let's see. No data. So this stream is healthy. Can you guys hear me? Hmm. I just want to get short, but like I don't know where. I mean, like up here would have been fine, but I mean, I'm not. We're not there anymore. We're 30 points lower. Everything's starting to leak here. Like everything is starting to leak. Still have a lot of tech kind of green. Shop, Google, Microsoft, Roku, Apple, Amazon. Oh my gosh. Like, I think we're on a previous day low. Get it higher up here and attack that. That would be the most ideal. Okay, let me see.
Order, order filled.
Taking a shot here. Taking a shot here at 54. Oh, come on. Is it 92? Let's see. Need to take out these lows though. Ah, come on. These lows gotta be taken out, bro. If we don't take out those lows here, we may try to push into one of these higher FEGs. So I may just luck to lock here if we get another 6, 7 points. Let's see. Ah, come on.
Order, order filled.
Trying a little bit more there, seeing if we can't get this dump. Hmm. Watching this closely here. Need to see this dump down. Let's see it. Did I just get caught in the...
Order filled. Order filled.
Actually, I don't know why I didn't just...
Order filled.
I don't know why I didn't just stay in that. Let's see what we get here. Uh, oh, come on. We need a close here, right here. Below this level. Try and hold on, because this is where, like, the big moves happen. Stop in profit, just in case we rip back, so that way I can force myself to hold.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take that right there, guys. Boom. That was a big trade. Um, again, I wish I didn't lock right here, because I locked into where I was gonna add in and then whatever. But, yeah, ended up being a nice trade. It says excellent condition again. Stream should be better. Um, let me see. Or if you, I mean, I tagged you, DBK, or anyone else that's in here. Can you do a stream check? Just let me know how things are going. Ah, there we go. Now it wants to take out the lows. Wish I would have held a little bit, yeah. I have to close you about every 10 minutes to refresh. Yeah, also DBK, there should be a button that says live, like on the bottom. I think sometimes it happens with other live streams too. It's not just mine. That you have to click the live button to get it like, I don't think you have to necessarily close out. I mean that works too, but there's a button that says live. If you just click the live button, it will put you up to the most like recent uh stream, like second or whatever you want to call it. I don't even know. Dang, dang, dang. Now this trade's gonna go. Look. Take out the lows, up 40 points. Wow. Um, but yeah, I need to look into it. Probably, I mean, I'm super busy right now. I have two baby showers next week, all kinds of stuff going on. But I need to look into it and try to figure it out. I think, I don't know. I don't know what I need to do, but I need to do something. No. Beautiful PT hit right here. See if it smashes through it. Really nice rip back. This might be a nice short area right here as well. May try it. Thing's lagging. I can't visualize it right. There we go.
Order
Trying to
submitted.
snipe at the very,
Order
very top
filled.
here. Gonna keep it tight. If it gets through, I'm out.
Order filled.
I'm out. I think I lost like 3 points there. Maybe 4 points. I don't know.
Order submitted.
Trying to get back in here. My orders are going golden, so that's huge. I might not even just. I might be done for the day. I'm getting golden orders. That's not ideal at all by any means. Like I should have got filled on that, but the orders are going golden.
Order canceled. Order
I'm
submitted.
trying to get that right here. Come on, fill that. That's twice now. It's not filling it.
Order canceled.
It takes too long for that order to get on the chart right now. That sucks because that was the trade right there. Boom, 15 points. Hey, good morning. Good morning. Thank you for tuning in. Uh, I don't know if I'm even gonna honestly keep trading just because this golden order issue is kind of concerning.
Order filled.
All right, wow. See what I mean right there? Let's see. That only fills me after the fact. It filled me so after the fact. Price was already up here and it filled me.
Order filled.
Let's see. See if we can move lower. I can get out of this.
Order filled.
Alright guys, I'm out of that, and honestly, I'm gonna be done trading. I'll stick around for a little bit longer, but I'm not gonna be taking any more trades. The orders are being too laggy right now. So, yeah, it is what it is, but I'll stick around till 7:30. So I'll give it another 10 more minutes or so. Keep giving my thoughts and ideas. Um, if we get to close here, I wouldn't be surprised to actually see this kind of recover. Hmm. I don't know. I'm going back and forth here. Like, I feel like we can explode through. Feels like we want to explode through. But then we're also still rejecting all of these CEs, not closing above it yet. So, oh, I just realized when I go that way, now I'm not in the stream. I gotta go this way. I changed where my camera was. Again, we're still respecting this, so it's like, makes me feel like we want to keep rolling. But at the same time, it feels like we get some sort of recovery potentially back up. Not that it, to a great degree, I mean, even just back up to this area. Okay, I said I was done, but I really might try a long right here if we can get right here. So it feels like we're gonna push up to this one right here. One more push lower. I'll probably try to take that here as my last trade.
Order submitted.
Again, look at the golden line here. This should be in the trade.
Order filled.
It only fills me once it stops, once it's going down.
Order filled.
That is such crook crap right there, honestly. That is such crook crap. Wow. That is such crook crap. Come on. I know better too. I should have not even traded. I knew these were going to be an issue. Oh my gosh, come on.
Stop filled.
Yeah, like I'm having the worst uh
Order submitted.
I'm trying the short here.
Order filled.
Let's just dump it all the way down. Might as well. Let's see. Let's get to previous day low. Let's get to 92 like we really originally wanted. It's actually not even that much further. Especially from my entry. I probably should have not even taken this trade like I just mentioned. I'm gonna get destroyed here. Whatever, man. My charts are saying two different things as well.
Order. Order filled.
My charts are saying two different things. This sucks, man. This was. Oh my god.
Order filled.
Now we gotta hope we reject hard off here, guys. This is just embarrassing at this point. I truly just. This is embarrassing.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm flipping long. And then if it just dumps here, I will just be. Of course it dumps a little bit.
Order filled.
Let's see. Come on, let's get that breakout. Push it up to 61. Oh my gosh. Come on. We hit that CE right there. Give me a full 30. Come on. We hit the CE. This is kind of frustrating. I feel like, what's my target? 82. Got to be more realistic than that, as much as I wanted that. Come on. Again, unfortunately, this is quite embarrassing here. The whole frustrating moments of being a trader sometimes. I felt like I got cheated and then I kind of went on tilt. Come on, spring it up. VWAP's up at 92. Run this thing up to VWAP. Where's it? 45. Come on. Delta looks like it wants to go. We just need to get clearance of this first, and we're just not seeing what I want to see right now. Yes, got that pop to view up already. Come on. The other issue is at this point, if I mark it out, I have no idea what I'm going to get. This is ranging from red to green to up a couple hundred to down a couple hundred, etc., etc., etc. So, come on. Just explode through. Another first step is up at 60. Come on. Uh,
Order, order filled.
come on. Pop for me right here. This is where I need it. This is where I need it. Made my average 44. Come on. Just deliver up. I know you want to. Come on, get through. Push 61. Come on. Uh, come on. I know you want to get through. It's A lot of liquidity up there to go grab. Jesus, come on. No, Delta turned around on me. That was not supposed to happen. Delta was not supposed to turn around like that. I should have got out and then looked to re-enter something else. Mm. Come on. Yeah, come on. Don't do this to me now.
Order filled.
Grab some at 43 right there. Spring up. Right at the bottom of this FEG, and if it's gonna just give it up, come on, don't do it. Don't do it. Come on. Spring up all the way. It's not looking hot. It's not looking hot, folks. Didn't even notice this be a bullish FEG right here. Like could have waited to add into that. We're gonna see it through. Ah, come on. Think we could at least see this high at 61. The thing is like if we get through, we're gonna go. There's just a lot riding on this with my position size. Criminy man.
Or, or, order filled.
Oh. There it is, guys. The account's just blue. I was way too heavy. I went on tilt there. I'm just super frustrated. That was a technology issue, and then I let that get to me. All right, guys. I'll catch you guys later. I'm out of here. That's embarrassing.